Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we use black color. Now we draw A for apple. The next one is B. And now we draw C. The next one is D. Kids, now we draw the letter of E. The next one is F. Now we draw G. G for got. The next one is H. And now we draw I. Kids, now we coloring capital letter alphabet. First we use the color of green. And now we draw A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. We again use green color and now we draw C. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog. Now we use the color of blue. D for dog, D for doll. Now we draw D. And the next one is E. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for gorilla. The next one is H. H for hand. And now we draw I. I for ice cream. Thank you so much for watching.